Hello, green thumbs in kitchen adventures. Ever looked at the humble vegetable in your garden or grocery store and thought, there's gotta be more to you than meets the eye? Well, today we are diving deep into the world of one of nature's unsung heroes. Get ready to be amazed because we are unveiling the five top benefits of the mighty zucchini. Now, I know what are you thinking? Zucchini? Really? That's it. Trust me, friends. This isn't just a wordy squash. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary chameleon, and a gardener's best friend. Benefit number one, hydration hero. Did you know zucchini is over 90% water? That's right. It's like a refreshing spa day for your insides, especially during those scorching summer days. Think of it as nature's own electrolyte drink, but with fiber. Now, let's talk about benefit number two, vitamin vault. This green beauty is packed with vitamin A, C, and potassium. It's like a multivitamin ground right in your backyard. Vitamin A for those eagle eyes, vitamin C for a strong immune system, and potassium for healthy blood pressure. Benefit number three, digestive delight. Zucchini is loaded with fiber, which is like a gentle broom sweeping through your digestive system. It keeps things moving smoothly. If you know what I mean, no more awkward conversations. Benefit number four, culinary creativity. From zoodles to zucchini bread, the possibilities are endless. It's the ultimate blank canvas for your culinary masterpieces. You can grill it, bake it, stuff it, or even turn it into a delicious dessert. Imagine a vegetable that can be healthy and a decadent treat. And finally, benefit number five, gardener's gold mine. This plant is incredibly prolific. One zucchini plant can give you an abundance of produce, perfect for sharing with friends and family. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Now, here's a quick gardener's tip to maximize your zucchini harvest. Give it plenty of sunlight, rich soil, and water. And remember to harvest them when they are young and tender for the best flavor. Trust me, you will be swimming in zucchini before you know it. So there you have it. 5 incredible benefits of the amazing zucchini. It's not just a vegetable, it's a lifestyle. Whether you are a seasoned gardener, a culinary enthusiast, or just someone looking to add some healthy goodness to your life, zucchini is your answer. That is enough today. Happy gardening!